Hello, happy Tuesday. Today we're moving into Reader's Workshop, and it's a day that we all look forward to. We're working towards our reading genre chart. Now remember, you should be reading every single day, at least 20 minutes in English and in Spanish. These reading choice days are to give you a little bit of a break, to practice the skills that we're working on. Like yesterday, we did making inferences. Okay, and we continue to work on staying connected to what we're reading. Okay, but to practice those skills in whatever it is you choose to read. Okay, so remember, we're looking at meeting all of the different genre requirements, okay, on this list. Okay, so hopefully you're finding something fun to read. I know we just had to search out Harry Potter, the first one for my son over the weekend. And my daughter just started a graphic novel called Camp. She says it's really good, so you might want to take a look at that if you're not someone that normally reads a graphic novel. All right, fifth graders, enjoy your day. Find your great reading spot, and I look forward to seeing your genre charts when we get back to school.